So most iPhone users think about the USB-C charging port on their iPhones to simply charge their devices. But did you know this iPhone USB-C port can do so much more? Today I'm going to show you 5 different uses for the iPhone's USB-C charging port that you may not know about. So did you know your iPhone can actually charge another iPhone? This is going to depend on how much battery life you have on your device. So I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max here with about 85% battery life, and I have this iPhone 17 Pro Max with 63% battery life. So if I plug these iPhones via the USB-C cable that comes with my phone, so right here it is, I can go ahead and plug in the iPhone 17 Pro Max to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And again, the iPhone with the most amount of charge will start charging the iPhone with the least amount of charge, just like so, as you can see right there. Now, this can be very useful if, let's say, your friend has about 90% and your iPhone is about to die with about 2 to 3%. You can actually borrow a little bit of charge, and therefore you can charge your iPhone and get through the rest of your day. It can be a lifesaver. So yeah, you can actually charge an iPhone with another iPhone using the USB-C cable in case you don't have access to a wall adapter or something like that at the moment. Now, not only can you charge an iPhone with an iPhone, but you can also charge AirPods. Yes, so this works with any pair of AirPods. You can go ahead and again plug in through a USB-C port and go ahead and plug in your AirPods, and your AirPods will start charging. With about, I don't know, 10 minutes of charge, you can get anywhere from 1 hour to 3 hours of listening time with AirPods by simply plugging in via the USB-C cable in the USB-C port on your iPhone to charge your AirPods. Now, something else you can charge with your iPhone's USB-C port, and most users don't know about this one, is an Apple Watch. Yes, you can actually charge an Apple Watch with your iPhone's USB-C port. Again, plug in, and in just a few seconds after you place your Apple Watch on the charger, you see right there, it will start charging the Apple Watch using that USB-C port from your iPhone to the Apple Watch. I think this is also very, very useful if you're using your Apple Watch and forget to charge at night. You're in a situation where it's about to die. Again, you can borrow some charge and charge that way. So now, check this out. This one's really interesting because I feel like most users don't know about this one. So let's say you need to type a long email or whatever it is. Did you know you can actually connect a full-size keyboard to your iPhone? Yes. So let's go ahead and plug in via the USB-C port here. And let's go ahead and plug it in just like so. The virtual keyboard disappears, and you see right there that I can actually start typing away on the keyboard, and it starts typing on the iPhone. Isn't that cool? So you can actually plug in a full-size keyboard to your iPhone's keyboard or your iPhone's USB-C port and start typing away. So if you need to use your iPhone for writing an essay or a long email, this could be useful in some cases, honestly. And last but not least, when you airdrop files, let's say you want to airdrop a long video, so a video that's more than a minute long, you can actually improve the speeds by simply plugging in as well. So if you want to share a video that's longer than, I want to say, 2 minutes with someone via airdrop, just go ahead and plug in, and just like so, you can go ahead and share that video with someone via airdrop. Make sure you find them on the list right here, and this will send the video a lot quicker over to the other iPhone. And just like so, 2 minutes took about a second and a half or 2 seconds just to send that video over from one iPhone to the other. And those are 5 utilities on the iPhone's USB-C port that you probably didn't know about. Let me know if this is something that you knew, and if you enjoyed this video, of course, make sure to click that like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.